Hi there, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. The current problem's difficulty is medium, and today's challenge is to find friend request. We have a table request accepted with requester ID, acceptor ID, and accept date. We need to write a solution to find the people who have the most friends and the most friends number. We need to output only two columns. We have to stack both columns into one, count how many times each ID appears, and display the ID that is the most frequent together with the number how many times it appears. In SQL, we write a select statement, and first we want to select the requester ID from the table request accepted, and we will use the function union all. Using union all allows us to stack these two columns into one, which means first we will get all requester IDs, and then here after we have acceptor IDs. Make sure that you use union all, because with the keyword all, it contains really all the numbers that are available. If you use just union, the duplicates will be deleted. So let's just check what we are going to receive with the union all. Yeah, of course the answer is wrong because we are not done, but you can see here that first you have the requester ID and after you have all the acceptor ID. If you remove the keyword all, you will have the unique IDs from both columns. Next, we want to count how many values we have with each ID. So we write an outer select statement from the sub-select that we just created. And this sub-select statement we will call total IDs. And we need the ID. Also make sure when you use the union all that the columns are called the same after the S keyword. So you want to display the ID and to count all values as numbers. In order to count efficiently, we need to group by ID. Since we want to display the highest number starting at the first row, we want to order by this number in the descending order. And as you can see, you just need to output one row. Therefore, you select top one. Let's run the query. And we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. Instead of union all, in Pandas we will use the concat method. So we are concatenating the column requester ID together with the column acceptor ID. And we will save this into a new dataset called all IDs. Now we need to count occurrences. We take a new dataset all IDs and we use the function value counts. Value counts automatically counts the frequency of each ID and sorts them in descending order by default. And this will be our new dataset called counts. The last thing we need to do is to rename the columns. Our columns should be ID and num. And we are ready to return the result. Remember to return only one row. Since value counts sorts the values in descending order per default, we just need to display the first row. Let's run the code. And we successfully solved this problem in Python Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Union all together with top one select statement in SQL, or concat together with head one method in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.